Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2020 IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate Unboxing. I'm so happy and so excited that this got here pretty early this month. And August is my favorite month because my birthday is in August. My birthday is August 12th. It's coming up this Wednesday. So this is kind of like a little early birthday present to myself because I love treating myself to my monthly beauty subscription services. I get the $50 IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate Box, which is this one right here, but I'll also be getting the $25 IPSY GLAM Bag Plus, the $12 regular IPSY GLAM Bag, the $25 BoxyCharm box, and the $35 Boxy Luxe box. Clearly, I am obsessed with beauty subscription services, but if you're watching this video, maybe you enjoy watching those types of videos, and that's a really good thing because I'll be doing unboxing videos of all of those boxes that I get in the mail. I will also be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. And I also, at the end of the month, after trying out all the products, I'll be doing full face makeup tutorials using all of my IPSY products and all of my BoxyCharm products. So I get so excited once my boxes start arriving for the month because it just starts that really fun cycle of great content that I get to share with you all. And speaking of, let's get into the unboxing of this. So IPSY and BoxyCharm is a customized beauty subscription service. So they take your feedback on reviews of products and a quiz that you fill out to curate the boxes to you. Honestly, I don't feel like they do the most amazing job paying attention to my feedback. Especially lately, I've been getting products that I have clearly said that I don't want, and I've been getting repeat products too, which is not good. Yet here I am, month after month, spending so much money on these boxes just because I can't stop. I just love getting them. So fingers crossed, I like what I got in this box. Let's find out. So you get 12 products in the Glam Bag Ultimate box. The August theme, the future is yours. And this Glam Bag Ultimate box, which I paid $50 for, is supposed to have a value of at least $250. And this is another month without product information on the card. I love that BoxyCharm still gives all of your product information on the cards, but IPSY seems to have stopped doing that. At least IPSY does have a really good app, so you can get your product information on the app. But let's pull out my first product here. This is from the brand Pie Oat Paris Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glacier. Oh. Yeah, this is in a different language. No wonder I'm struggling to read it. But here, plumping moisturizing care. So this seems to be skincare. I definitely prefer to get makeup in my IPSY boxes, and I always put that I want makeup, but somehow my boxes end up being very skincare heavy. But a lot of the skincare I've tried out, I've ended up really loving, and this looks fancy, beautiful packaging. There is what that looks like. So this is a moisturizer. I'm looking at some information on the app here. It's the full size that retails for $48. So seems like it's probably a really nice moisturizer. I don't really want to open it yet because I'm not sure if I'll get to this right away. I am well stocked up in a lot of skincare products, especially moisturizer, because of my past IPSY bags. Next up, here's another moisturizer. This is the Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream All Day Moisture. I like this. I've tried this before. I may have even gotten this in IPSY, but not this blue version. Here is what that is. And this is a sample size product, but this is a decent size. This is a good travel size moisturizer to bring along with me. Oh, I recognize this box. This is Complex Culture. So this is a very fancy, nice brush. I always am putting on IPSY that I don't want any more brushes. However, I did get one or two complex culture brushes before, and they seriously are amazing, beautiful, amazing quality. Ooh, I don't have this shape yet, and this looks really nice. These are expensive. Let me look up the retail value. So one of my complex culture brushes I use every day. So this is the Plush powder brush. Yeah, retails for $35 for just this one brush. So they are really beautiful. Cruelty-free, vegan, eco-friendly. And I honestly don't have a great large all over powder brush, so I will probably get really good use out of this. Next up, this is the brand 111 Skin, Harley Street, London, Cryo, I don't exactly know how to pronounce that, ATP Sports Booster ATP Sports. I don't know what that means. Energizing Serum Booster to make you look more awake and glowy. Sounds nice, and wow. Yeah, 111 Skin is a very expensive brand. This retails for $135, which is really exciting to me because I would never spend $135 on a serum for myself, but I'm able to get these really luxurious products at such an affordable price through IPSY, so that is awesome. And this has really beautiful packaging. It's kind of hard for it to focus on camera. But as you can see, so far, no true makeup products yet. Another product here, Gentle Derm Cleansing Gel Foam from the brand Dr. Oakham's Plus. This is like a sample size cleanser. This is a product that I would not be super excited about. I'm sure I'll use it because it's great to have these little travel size cleansers. And I've kind of been enjoying travel size cleansers as just a way to try out products when I have so many different products to try out. When they're smaller sample size, I can actually go through more of them. So this is a gentle cleanser designed with your irritation prone skin in mind. Yeah, so just a sample size. I don't know the retail value on this. I feel like I've got my whole skincare routine from this box already. I've got cleanser, I've got serum, I've got moisturizer. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got a perfume from the brand Juliet Has a Gun. This is Vanilla Vibes. Ooh, I've tried a Juliet Has a Gun perfume before that I really liked. So I kind of like getting perfumes because I just like to switch it up. Ooh, this smells beautiful. Do a little spritz to test it out. Ooh, even though it's Vanilla Vibes, it smells very florally and pretty. It says vanilla meets sea salt. That is very nice. I like it. It's not my favorite perfume I've ever smelled, but I think I would definitely wear it. Okay, I think I'm getting to some makeup now. This is from the brand Real Her. I am amazing. Oh, the brand Real Her is great because they put positive affirmations on their products, and that's just a really cute aspect of their brand. So this says, I, as in I, am amazing. But is this an eyeliner? If this is a black eyeliner, well, if you watch my videos, you know I do not want eyeliners, and I especially do not want black eyeliners, and I get them every single month. And I don't wear eyeliner, so, oh my gosh, are you serious? Yeah, just a twist up little black eyeliner pencil. I am disappointed in this because I don't know how many times I can give the feedback on the IPSY app, put in my quiz that I don't want eyeliners, yet every single month I have one. And I know a lot of people feel the same way. We have bonded in the comments about products that we keep getting that we don't want. Speaking of, let me know in the comments down below. I'll let you do a little vent session because that's what I'm honestly doing here. And let me know what products you keep getting in your IPSY bags that you don't want, even though you keep telling them if it's eyeliners, then we have that in common. So the Real Her I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner in black retails for $16. Okay, let's see what this product is. Oh, this is coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E. Hydrate and shine. I think this is from the brand Soapbox. So I think this is my first, yeah, this is my first hair care product I got in the box. I do like hair care products. I prefer makeup, but I don't get too many hair products in my boxes, which is a good thing. So coconut scented mist to make your hair smell delicious and also boost hydration levels for serious softness and shine. This sounds nice to put on damp hair. I tend to style my hair, so I can't really use products like this after I've already styled my hair because I don't want it to kind of like make my hair frizz up or lose the style. But I think this would be good for after shower, before styling, to give a nice scent to my hair. And this is the full size that retails for $12.99. Oh, this is a Kokie product. I haven't gotten a Kokie product in IPSY in a long time. This is a Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray. I like Kokie products. They're usually pretty affordable as well, so I'm curious what the retail value is on this. This is like a nice little travel size setting spray, and it's the matte version. I like setting sprays. So I don't have a retail value on this because it is considered sample size, but that's a decent sample size. I'm actually pretty impressed with the sizes of my products. Sometimes I'll get the tiniest little sample size, but these ones are good sized samples. And next up, we have a Vitamin E Balm from the brand Feel. This looks nice. I wonder if this is a lip product. Oh, so you can use it on your lips or on your skin. Kind of seems maybe it's like a Vaseline petroleum jelly type of product. Supposed to be super moisturizing, and this is the full-size product that retails for $24. That's more expensive than I would expect. I have two more products. Next up is from the brand Beauty for Real High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. So I've recently tried out a few Beauty for Real products through IPSY, and this is full size, retails for $19. I'll be trying this out in a dedicated video. Like I said, I'll try out all the makeup products. And speaking of makeup products, here's the one that I'm probably most excited about. This is from the brand Nomad and Berlin Underground? Hard to read that. Special edition IPSY. So this is an eyeshadow palette. And this is the product that I chose because IPSY lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags. Well, you know what? Actually, that's changed. The Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 products now. So that's really exciting because that box was definitely kind of struggling to excite me, I guess. But now I am very excited about the Glam Bag Plus because you get a lot of customization. So I'm looking forward to getting that. But so for my Glam Bag Ultimate, I got to choose one product, and this is what I chose, and I'm so glad I got this because this is definitely the product I'm most excited about. It's this beautiful eyeshadow palette, and it looks like great quality. There's designs in every color. You've got a big mirror. This is a really pretty color story, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to resist touching them and swatching them so that I can save the first impressions and the swatching for my dedicated review video. But I think this palette saves my box in terms of me being excited about it. So this is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $37. So I definitely got a lot of pricey products in here. And then at the bottom here I have, oh man, mine's got like a mark stain on it. Oh, I was so excited because this looked so pretty and so my style, pink and shiny. No, but you can see like there's this big mark here on my bag. I mean, makeup bags are bound to get dirty anyways, but I was just so excited. This is so pretty in my opinion. And it's a pretty decent size too. So that's cute. I like the design of the bags this month. But truly there's not, besides the eyeshadow palette, no products in here that I am just so excited to get. And unfortunately that does seem to be how my past few IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate boxes have been, where it's just products that I don't really feel like I need, or that are just not something that's really exciting to work into my skincare or makeup routine. I don't want to sound too negative, but I do want to be honest. So I'll do a quick recap so that you can see everything that I got. With the makeup bag, I got the Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, the Real Her eyeliner, the Koki setting spray, this Dr. Oakham's cleansing gel foam, the 111 Skin Creo Sports Booster, the Hemp's moisturizer, the Payout moisturizer, the Complex Culture powder brush, the Soapbox hair mist, the Juliet Has a Gun perfume, the Beauty for Real mascara, and the Feel Vitamin E Balm. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth, and I will use these products, but it's definitely not my favorite IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate box I've ever gotten. But as always, I'd really like to know in the comments down below if you have tried out any of these products. Let me know your feedback on them. Also, let me know what you got in your GLAM Bag Ultimate box, and let me know if you were happy with it or not. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.